Evacuations increased the alert level from level 2 to level 3 in just under an hour. Alert level 3 means that there is magmatic unrest in the volcano, implying a movement in the magma. PVOX is strongly recommending that residents in Taal Volcano Island and high-risk barangay in Agoncillo and Laurel be evacuated due to possible hazards of pyroclastic density currents and volcanic tsunami. The volcano is inside a bigger crater or basin or valve, which is why people will have to evacuate horizontally and away from the crater. There is water that would be hindering the rapid evacuation, and that is why people need to get out of the island as soon as possible. National Disaster and Risk Reduction Management Council spokesperson Mark Timbal said evacuations are ongoing in the three towns nearest the volcano, San Nicolas, Balite, and Talizay. People said ashfall is also being experienced over the southwest sector of Taal. Residents in Tagaytay City, Laguna, Cavite, and Muntinlupa City are also reporting ashfall. Classes in all levels have also been suspended in Cavite due to ashfall. The Department of Health has warned that exposure to falling ash may cause a number of health problems. It has recommended that people should stay indoors as much as possible and use dust masks and goggles for protection when going outside. Ashfall is also being experienced over the southwest sector of Taal. PVOX reminded the public that the main crater of the volcano should be strictly off limits as sudden steam explosions may occur and higher concentrations of deadly gases can be released. PVOX said that Taal has been manifesting moderate to high level of seismic activity since March 28, 2019, with weak earthquakes being felt in several areas in Batangas. Alert level 3 up as Taal Volcano's post-kilometer-high ash column. Updated PVOX says the Taal Volcano's main crater has escalated its eruptive activity as of 4 p.m. on Sunday, January 12. The Taal Volcano in Batangas with an ash column 1 kilometer high on Sunday afternoon, January 12, triggering the raising of its status to Alert Level 2 and then Alert Level 3. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology (PVOX) first raised Alert Level 2, which means increasing unrest at 2:30 p.m. on Sunday. This was due to a phreatic explosions or a steam-driven episode that occurs when water beneath the ground or on the surface is heated by magma, lava, hot rocks, or new volcanic deposits. PVOX said in its 4 p.m. bulletin that the Taal Volcano's main crater has escalated its eruptive activity, generating an eruption plume 1 kilometer high accompanied by volcanic tremor and felt earthquakes. This means that there is magmatic intrusions that is likely driving the current activity. Photos taken from installed IP camera monitoring the activity of Taal Volcano since 1 p.m. Sunday, the volcano has manifested increased steaming activity in at least 5 spots inside the main crater. The Philippines is situated on a seismic hotspot known as the Ring of Fire, which encircles the Pacific Ocean. Taal Volcano Seismic Network has manifested moderate to high level of seismic activity since March 28 last year. PVOX said in a bulletin issued at 2:30 p.m. local time, some of these earthquakes were felt with intensity ranging from intensity scarcely perceptible to intensity 3 weak shaking. In the barangays of Calauit, Baliti, Sitio, Tibag, Pira, Piraso, Anboco, Talisay, Alas-As, and Pulang Batu, San Nicolas, Batangas, often these felt earthquakes are accompanied by rumbling sounds. The active volcano is a popular tourist spot because of its uniqueness as having an island within a lake. Volcano Point in the Philippines is the world's largest island within a lake that is situated on an island located in a lake within an island. Taal Volcano is continuing to spew ash and smoke into the air as the alert status of the volcano reaches level 3, magmatic unrest. But where is Taal Volcano? Taal Volcano, located on the island of Luzon in the Philippines, second most active volcano with 34 historical eruptions, and this is the most attractive views in the Philippines, located about 50 kilometers away south of the capital of the country, the city of Manila. The volcano has had several violent eruptions in the past, causing loss of life in the island and the populated areas surrounding the lake, with death toll estimated at around 6,000 because of its proximity to populated areas and its eruptive history. The volcano was designated a decade volcano, worthy of close study to prevent future natural disasters, and part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. Taal Volcano and Lake are wholly located in the province of Batangas. The northern half of Volcano Island falls under the jurisdiction of the lakeshore town of Talisay and the southern half to San Nicolas. 2020, PVOX issued an alert status of alert level 3 on the volcano after a Phreatic explosion on Sunday afternoon of January 12. The explosion spewed an ash column measuring 100 meters, and PVOX ordered an evacuation into towns of Baliti, San Nicolas, and Talisay in Batangas within the shores of Taal Lake. 2019 alert level 1 was raised on the volcano because of frequent volcanic activities since March. Based on the 24-hour monitoring of the Taal Volcano's seismic network, 57 volcanic earthquakes were observed from the morning of November 11 to morning of November 12.